Hi guys, it's your girl Ogochukwu. In this video, we'll be learning how to create simple navigation bar using HTML and CSS. Stay tuned. Please do well to like, subscribe and share. Thank you so much. Shift 1, I have this .nav. Here I'll have UL, LI. The UL is another list, LI is list, then A is anchor tag for linking pages together. So I have home page here. For now we are going to be leaving it empty, or I can actually say about dot html li anchor. Alright, let's view this on our browser and open with live server. What I have now, this actually what I have. So we have our style tag here. Our style tag. First thing first, even before I move the default padding and margin, I want to target nav ul. I want to remove this list type tag, list type here. That's the first I want to remove. So I'll say list type none, list type none. So it's gone. Now I can remove the default margin and padding. Okay, I did it so that you will see it, because once I remove the default margin and padding first, it enters inside and you not really visualize what I'm doing. Okay, so now I'm use universal selector. I'll say margin 0, padding 0, box sizing border box. So going back, see what we have now. Now let's target the list element. List element, I want them to be on the same line. By default, list elements are block element. They take the whole width. Each one take the whole width available to it. So I don't want it to be block anymore. I want it to be inline. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to say .nav ulli. I'll say display inline. You can as well use inline block. So they are displayed inline now. So I'll target .nav here. .nav. I'll give it text align center. Text align center. This is what we have. So if you see, the list items are close to each other. So let's give them margin. So say margin, say 10 pixels. This is margin all round, top, bottom, left and right. 10 pixels. Now on this nav bar, I'm gonna give it box shadow. Box shadow 0 pixels, 0 pixels, 20 pixels, RGBA. I'll use this 0.2. Okay, so this is what I have now. I'll give it padding of 15 pixels. Padding of 15 pixels. Okay, so this is what we have. Oh, sorry. So what I'm going to do now is I'm gonna say, let me increase it 20 pixels. So this is what we have. Next thing we are going to do now, we're going to remove this underline. So the underline, I will remove the underline. I'll target anchor tag. The underline is on the anchor tag, so we are going to target the anchor tag, LIA anchor tag. I'll say text decoration none. So the text decoration is none, is gone. You can as well change the color here. color of the text, we can give it red. I'll change the shade of the red. So hover on this color, then this will come out. So this is what we have now. This is the color we are gonna take. Then I'll increase the font weight. And make it 500. Okay, so this is what I have. So let's increase the font size of, let's make it 18 pixels. So this is what we have. So this is a simple navigation bar. Now if you click on this link, it should take you to our home, but we don't have home page. So if you want it to really take you to home, you need to create home page here. So I'll come here, I'll create a file, I'll call it home.html. I can write here, I'll say welcome to home page. So I'll target the navbar URLIA. I'll say hover.
The next thing we are going to add now is hovering effect.
I want the background color to change. So the background color, I want it to be what we have here. Okay, I want it to be black. Let's make it black. It can't be what we have there. So, or should we make it what we have here? Yeah, let's make it what we have here. Since that one is just color. Okay, then change the color now. The color will be white. On hover, the color will be white. So coming back here, this is what we have. So on hover, color will be white. Now let's increase the padding of this anchor tag. So padding, I'll say 10 pixels. So coming back, this is what we have now. I want to give it a default background color so that it will have a background color of its own. So what I'll do now is I'm going to target home, go to home, give it a class, target that class. So I'll give it a class, active, class of active. Class of active. Coming down here, I'll say .nav URLI a.active. So I'll give it background color red. So let's come back. So you see it has the background color red. So but see, on hover the color is changing. I don't want the color to change, so the color of the text to change. So what I'll do is I will remove hovering effects on active. So coming here, I will say not, I'll use this not active, then I'll say active. So I don't want active class to be included on hovering effect. So now when we hover, it doesn't affect it, right? But let me change the color to white. All right, so this is what I'm gonna do. I'll come here and say color white. You see, right? Now let's add, I'll just add transition effect on anchor tag, so that it will have smooth effect. So I'm just gonna say 0.6 seconds. So for 0.6 seconds it happens smoothly. Okay, so that's all, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Do well to subscribe. Now you can give this border radius of 5 pixels. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching.